Hi there! In this video, we'll show you what's included in the box when you purchase a Swetrack Lite. When you open the box, you're first greeted by a quick start guide that walks you through getting your light up and running. You can also scan the QR code on the back of the guide to access the full manual. Underneath the guide, you'll find a piece of 3M double-sided tape, which is used to mount the unit during installation. Next is the power cable. On one end, you have red and black wires with fork terminals for connecting to the battery's positive and negative terminals. And on the other end is the connector for the light. Finally, you'll find the light unit itself. The side with the light logo embossed in the plastic should face upward. On the bottom of the GPS unit, you'll find the device's ID number. The light is a very compact GPS tracker that can be hidden almost anywhere. To connect the light to the power cable, align the arrows on the connectors toward each other and press them together. That's everything in the box for your new light. Enjoy your Swetrack!